Okay, so I started with the this is gonna be a 3-part kit, by the way. So first we're gonna do the wet ones, which is like 3, 4. Some of these. Some of these. I will be putting in actual things in it, little whatevers. Okay, so let's put in. I'm putting this. Let's put 2 and 2 in here. I guess. As you see, they're the same size as dew wipes. I will be able to put what I need in here, actually. I have plenty of space. See if I can put this right here and have it close. Nope. Okay. Can it? If it can close, that'd be great. Yes, it can. Perfect. I'm gonna put a few. Okay, so let's actually put some of the indenture things in here first and foremost. These will fit. Trust and believe. I'm gonna put these in between this. Like a few of these. Like how to open these. I'm decided I'm gonna have to have a couple of these. I'm gonna put in. Wait, can I put in one of them? Okay, so it looks like I could put. I'm gonna put this many in here. 5 or whatever. Can you like literally? It's not doing anything. Great. Great. Fucking great. But yeah. Oh wait, maybe I have to do this. God, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. I can't. Okay, good. Okay, so let's put in between here 2, 3. Let's just put all these in here. Let's see if they'll fit. They'll fit. And I got a little case for fishing kit. Now let's put in. This is actually really going to be a 3-part kit. Yeah. I'm putting 2 and 2 just in case. I will have a bigger kit. I do have. You know what I could do? I'm going to do it too. Wait, how many of these in here? 2 and 2. Did you? No one even have to. Yeah. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna use one of these real quick on my face. You can use these on your face actually. Oh, these are big. Holy God, these are big. This is how I do it without if my hands are dirty. Yep, fresh scent. So yeah. Now let's see if I can put anything else in here. Maybe not. I don't think I can. So yeah, I have second part of the hygiene kit. First part, I actually it's the 2 part. This is in case I have to do whatever, and even then it's like, so yeah. That's part 1 out of part 3. Anyway, peace.